till the sun meets moon. Get lost in the cobblestone streets of this stolen land with you. I hear the morning birds sing above our heads. We haven't stopped dancing since the sunset. We went on our way. Our shadows follow us in the morning sun's gaze. Down to the sandy beaches escaping our town's dirty gray haze. You rest your head on my shoulder. I stroke your silver hair, still filled with flowers. I pick one out and put it behind your ear and you ask, can this be forever? Can we make this last? I answer no, because you are just a ghost of a memory that has visited me. In a dream, you raise your face to meet mine. You kiss me on the cheek with a smile and said this is no goodbye. I will see you again when it is your